Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Bowling 3D Part 2. Now let's get started. Before we start, hit that subscribe button, click the bell. We're on the road to 30 subscribers. And now let's get started.
Wait, let me in!
Too sad.
No, you couldn't hear, but
Let me add it around here a little, like right here.
wow, I suck. I suck.
And I just have to boat this way.
Yes, I'm in!
Somebody click one. Taylor, get out.
Oh, sorry.
You made it bad
I'll
last
just
time.
make it
Get
out.
Taylor.
Nothing's there!
Spare.
Still made us mess up last time.
No.
Wow.
Contact the professionals at Go-To Roofing.
But are we still gonna play this?
Alright, sorry about that, guys, but
Taylor, we're not playing with you right now. Bro, literally. If you ever ask to go on my team, I'm not accepting it.
wait. Wow.
Spare.
Like you could go on a different team and watch your own go. Why don't you just
Strike.
Yeah, this is so cool.
you're accepted?
How did I miss that?
Guys, don't accept her.
Replay it, guys. How did I miss that?
Strike.
Because she literally ruined it.
Strike.
Now I have
Wow. I am so angry.
Now I have to redo it. I have to redo it.
How?
Better Taylor.
I'm dumb. As a matter of fact, every time I get a split, I'm just gonna go to the gutter.
Spare.
Okay, I already got a spare.
Strike.
Ow.
Who wants what she said?
Y'all, shut up!
Don't get caught with a leak.
I am so mad that
For the rest
I'm not actually that mad, but
Spare.
of it, millions of dollars.
spare. I'm in the room.
Like real money, real life. And from this game. Taylor ruined it.
Well, the reason I'm putting this thumbs down
Vote may be slow.
because I didn't get a spare. Because I didn't even get a strike.
accusing Taylor.
I got it every time.
Who was it that?
How? Replay it. Replay it.
It was my birthday. Was it Taylor?
I'm a man.
Taylor,
I do that.
No, I keep...
Spare.
Oh yeah, follow me.
Okay?
Oh yeah, follow me in Game Jet.
She didn't do it. If you
But
see
still.
a character that says Sugar Hill,
Ah!
Strike.
well, what?
Oh,
That's Taylor.
Well, if you see a account that says Taylor,
Spare.
Taylor something.
you let Taylor go in.
I want to get a strike.
Spare.
Taylor request to join.
I want to get a strike.
Strike.
Thank you for the strike.
Strike.
Please and give me a strike.
I know that wasn't you, right?
Wow. I suck.
That was the one.
If that happens one more time, you're off the team.
Don't get caught with a leaky roof this spring.
I want to get a turkey strike. Why can I get a turkey strike? That's because I suck at this. Well, I suck. Please.
Spare.
Finally. I'm gonna get a strike.
Strike.
Finally, a strike. I finally get a strike. Well, I don't get a strike.
That's enough.
Strike.
I got a strike.
Because
I want to get a turkey.
Spare.
I'm so dumb at this game. I'm gonna do a little roll. Yeah, I'm a roll.
Spare.
What am I thinking? What am I thinking? What am I thinking? Ow, my cheeks hurt. Well, not the part of it, like, not the back.
Strike.
This one.
What she did, did you
This
add
one,
anything to this boat?
yeah,
No, I didn't,
this
because
one,
I would've
ow.
saved it myself, so
I put it that way, and it really
Strike.
hurts. That's what it means. Ah! Push, push, push.
make a roof.
Spare.
These 18 blocks better last me.
Don't get caught with a leaky roof this spring. Contact the professionals at GoTo.
I feel better. Brr.
Except Shammo.
I am dead.
Wait, you're leaving?
I want to get a strike.
Damn it. I got a jetpack.
Spare.
I want to get a strike. Give me a strike right now. Replay that. We're like, how do I miss that?
Spare.
Wow. I suck at this game.
Spare.
Okay. Better give me a strike. Bro, I'm about to leave out this game, bro, because it didn't even give me another strike. Give me a strike!
Spare.
Give me a strike right now. Give me a strike! Wow. How did I miss that? Replay that. How did I miss that? How did I forget I missed that? Just give me a strike! Wow. Wow, I suck at this game.
Don't get caught with a leaky roof this spring. Contact the professionals at GoTo.
So I can play, so I can get a strike. Give me a strike right now. Oh my god. Quit bouncing that! Oh my god, I'm getting so mad. I can't even get a strike. Oh my god. I want a strike.
Spare.
Don't give I don't want no spares. I'm tired of it. Just give me a strike. Oh my god. I can't get any strikes because of this. Wow, I suck.
Spare.
Oh my god. Finally!
Strike.
Finally!
See, nobody wants, okay?
Finally I strike.
Bro, I need a...
Spare.
I keep getting spares. I want to get a strike.
Strike.
Finally,
Nobody
get a strike. Ow! One pin is really possible. Getting that one pin is really possible. I bet you can beat.
Strike.
here, okay?
Whoa!
Sitting right here where I am, okay?
Strike.
Give me a strike right now.
Both y'all can sit right there.
Don't get caught with a leaky roof this spring. Contact the professionals at
You better give me a strike right now, Jesus.
Taylor is it
You lied.
That thing is...
Spare.
Ow!
Spare.
Wow. That whole pin's giving me a spare.
Somebody else.
Give me a strike. Give me a strike. Don't make me feel mad.
Don't try...
Don't make me feel mad.
Strike.
Ow. I had to scream. Mom, let me get a strike. Replay that. How did I even miss that? Finally a strike.
Strike.
Strike. I'll flicker my eyes if I do that.
Spare.
This is the end of the video, so click that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.